Season 3! A hypnotic pocket watch.
This is a magical hypnotic machine. Though it looks like a common watch, you only need to finish 3 push-ups, then jump with 2.5 rotations. Halt, stand up, and make a face. Come on, now you're a cat. A lovely cat.
Meow. Huh? One, 2, 3. Then make 2.5 circles. Push the button. Now you're my servant. Be obedient. Oh no! Can't you be polite? Just hear me out before you go. Go away! Go away! No!
Help! Stop chasing me!
The instruction book. I got it. It should be jumping with 2.5 rotations. Ah! Huh? What's wrong? Help! No!
Hey, hey.
Come get your bouncer, delicious and nutritious. Have a look.
Go away. I'm old and weak. Get out of my way.
Hello, Mr. Seed. What do you want?
A basket of raw meat bouncer. Huh?
Today, our raw meat bounce is pretty good. You see, the meat nearly comes out.
Huh? A basket of soup bouncer.
Okay.
Huh?
Today, the soup in the soup bouncer is also abundant.
Ah! It's so hot! Marshall, you did it on purpose!
Sorry.
Huh? What's the next action?
Mr. Seed, what else do you want?
I want a full meat bouncer.
Right away.
Next. 3 push-ups. Then jump with 2.5 rotations. Halt and make a face.
Here you are.
Huh? Ah! Beef alive! Ah! Help! Don't follow me! Don't follow me! No! Help! Help! Ah! Ah! No! No! Ow! Ow! What's wrong again? Help!
It's just a full meat bouncer. Jackie, eat it.
Okay.
Stop.
I remember. 1, 2, 3. Jump with 2.5 rotations, then halt and make a face.
You're so ugly.
Ah! What junk? Why is this so complicated? I quit.
The house is gonna explode! Marshall, where are you?
What a heavy fog! I can't see anything!
What's going on? Mr. Seed, come out quickly.
Oh.
You've got to pay for the damages.
Hey, listen, what's that noise?
Stop now! Help! Stop!
Oh, it's so funny! Jackie, let's join them!
Come on. That's bad.